Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of a multiplied by a is equal to a plus a plus a. Let's come to the solution. As when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So this a power 1 plus 1 plus 1, this will be a cube. This is equal to a plus a plus a, this is 3a. Now in the next step, a cube, moving this 3a which is plus 3a at the right hand side, and now moving this from right hand side to left hand side, this will become minus 3a is equal to 0. Now we can factor out a, so inside here a squared minus 3, this a we have taken it common, and now this is equal to 0. Now applying zero product rule, we get a is equal to 0 and a squared minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the first value of a, and from this we get a squared is equal to 0 by moving this negative 3 from left hand side to right hand side. This will become positive 3, and we get a squared is equal to 0 plus 3, which is 3. Now taking square root on both sides, at the left hand side this square root and square cancel out each other. We will left with a is equal to plus minus square root 3. So from this we have two values, a is equal to plus square root 3 and the second value of a is equal to minus square root 3. First we have found that a is equal to 0. So let me write here a is equal to 0 and a is equal to square root 3, and the third value is a is equal to minus square root 3. Now let's verify that whether these values of a satisfy the given expression or not. As we have found three values of a, first one is 0, second one is square root 3, and the third value is minus square root 3. So let's verify that one by one. When a is equal to 0, this implies 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0, whether it is equal or not equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. So it is definitely clear that 0 multiplied by 0, which is 0, is equal to nothing is adding, so it's mean here 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence this value of a, which is 0, is a valid solution. Now let's verify that square root 3, it is a valid solution or invalid by putting here square root 3 multiplied by square root 3 multiplied by square root 3. This is equal to square root 3 plus square root 3 plus square root 3. So in the next step, we will write this as square root 3 whole squared into square root 3. This is equal to square root 3 plus square root 3 plus square root 3. So this will become 3 into square root 3. Now here this square root and square cancel out each other. We will left with 3 into square root 3 is equal to 3 into square root 3. Hence it is clear that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the value of a, which is square root 3, this is a valid solution. Now let's check that minus square root 3, is this a valid solution or not. By putting this here, this will become negative square root 3 multiplied by negative square root 3 and multiply by negative square root 3. This is equal to a, which is negative square root 3 plus negative square root 3 plus negative square root 3. So this will become minus multiplied by minus gives us plus, and plus multiplied by minus we will left with minus. So this will become square root 3 into square root 3. This will become square root 3 whole squared with square root 3. This is equal to minus square root 3 plus minus square root 3 plus minus square root 3. So we have minus 3 into square root 3. So now this square root and square cancel out each other. We will left with minus 3 into square root 3. This is equal to minus 3 into square root 3. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the third value of a, which is minus square root 3, is also a valid solution. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, The Math Click, please subscribe this.